Hey everybody, we're going to do practice task 3 on page 34. We are in our certification files. We're still doing objective 1. It says to us in the Word 138 document as follows. So here's a Word 138 document. It says format only the text between the empty marks in the 3 columns and set the distance at 0.03. So here's an empty space. Let's select it. Down to the next empty space right there. And we're going to go to Layout, Columns, and I always, even though there's 3 and I can click on it, I'm going to go to More Columns. You see your whole dialog box because it's asking us not only to use 3 columns, but you adjust the width. So I'm going to click down, change the 0.5 to 0.3, turn on the automatic hyphenation. We're only going to apply it to the selected text, which is between the paragraph marks. I'll say OK. There's the hyphenation. We're going to click the down arrow. We're going to select the hyphen options, automatic, and it says no limit, and we want to limit it to where there's limit to 1 in a row, and we will say OK. And we're going to apply, we're going to deselect the columns. We're going to apply the facet thing to the document. For the design, themes, facet. Note the simple room design. We're going to change the theme colors to red-orange. The theme colors are right here. Red-orange, make sure you get the right one. And we're going to set the font to Corbel. Added facet, even page header to page 2. We are on page 2. We're going to insert a header. Even page header. We're going to scroll down. Here is page 3. We're going to click on page 3. We're going to break the link. And we're going to do a facet page header. So we're going to go back to Insert, Header, Facet, Odd page. Go back up, Odd, Even. No header on the first page. You will notice that what I had to do is I had to come down here, and before I added this page number, I broke the link to the previous page. So both of them do not appear as even page numbers. Okay, we're going to close the header footer. On page 2, now let's go on up to page 1. And we want to format the watermark for the design page. Watermark. We're going to do a custom watermark. We want it to be text watermark. The text is going to be example only. Diagonal. semi-transparent, color, orange, the font size, 54, and we're going to apply it. We'll close it. We're on page 1, page 2, page 3. And that's exactly what it wants us to do. We're going to save this document and hyphen for our last name. There's already one in there, and we're going to save over it. You will not have a replace existing document. And I'm going to close this. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and delete this right now. 13B, we're going to open this one up. It reads, modify the appearance of 13B. So we'll do F12, end, hyphen, and we're going to put Fraser, Fraser rather. We're going to go to design. It says pilot casual style set. There's the casual style set. Add a page number that uses the circle. Headers and footers. It wants to insert circle. So we're going to go page margins. Border. In the right margin of the border. Whoops, we want the circle. Wrong one. So let's go back. Circle right. There we go. And format the page number. We're going to click in there. Page number. Format the number. And we want uppercase Roman numerals. There's one. Close the header. There's 1, 2, 3. Format pages as uppercase Roman numerals, and that's what we have done. We are now through with a practice task 03. So we are going to see you in the next presentation.